Let's study how to add credentials to the cardholders in manual input mode. Before starting this task, you should have created and activated an account at AllDoors Cloud, Lumaring Access Controller with status online and created control point, created schedule, created access right, created cardholder. Open the cardholders control menu on the left side. Choose the submenu cardholders. On the mainframe, we see a list of our cardholders, which we created in previous steps. Open one of them. Choose Menu Credentials. There are two ways to input credentials: automatic input and manual. First, open the Manual Input tab. As you know, Lumaring controllers can work with any kind of reader, from simple PIN code readers to high-secured face or palm vein recognition readers. All kinds of these readers produce special code and send it to the controller. The controller makes the decision to give access to this code or not. Manual input can be used if you know the code which will produce the reader. Example, code which printed on RFID tags. PIN code, which you know as you input it directly. The number on the car license plate. So, the field type is just the reader attribute of the reader, which is used for receiving code, which we must input in the next field. Because codes provided by different tag manufacturers can be in two types, serial numbers and Wiegand codes, we must select the type manually. That is simple if you see two numbers divided by a comma that Wiegand type. For all other types, select the serial number. We have attached an RFID reader and a PIN code reader. Choose type RFID. Choose input mode Wiegand 26. Input information from RFID card to field's facility and serial number. Press Add Credentials. You can see the newly created credential in the credentials list. Now, let's add one more credential. This time choose type PIN Pass. Input mode Serial. In field input, we input our desired PIN code. For example, 4444. Press Add Credentials. Now, in the list, we see two kinds of credentials assigned to the current cardholder. Press Submit for save. Let's do a test. All looks fine. Both credentials work well. Now, let's add a virtual key credential to the cardholder. Open Cardholder. Choose Credential. Select the Manual Input tab. Field type WebPass. Input mode Serial. Serial number, not necessary field. Press Add Credentials. Press Submit for save. Again, open Credentials menu. In the Actions menu for Viki, choose Share to copy the access URL to the clipboard. You can simply click on the Viki data string and then click the copy icon to copy it to your clipboard. Press Submit for save. Now, let's send this URL to our cardholder's phone. Open the URL in the default browser. Press the button to open the door. Yes. Work great. Add cardholder credentials in manual input mode is finished.